there. There's our instructions. Alright, so this is your back-to-back paperwork they're going to give you. You basically, if you're staying on board, you're not going to move rooms. You don't have to pack, do anything. You can just stay in your room. If you're going to pack like we had to do, because we're going from the aft to the forward end of the ship, we had to pack. They take your luggage. If you're going out, you have a transit card. But what's weird is you can't get back on till 11:30, which makes no sense because we boarded about 10 till 11 or quarter till 11. And then they give you, and if you are, again, staying in the same stateroom, blah, 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 all your accounts will transfer over. Nothing transfers over to your next cruise. So there's your transit cards. You get a complimentary drink for up to $16.50, and you get a complimentary photo each, and they put up like a back-to-back banner. And that's pretty much the thing. And we'll meet down in the Reflections dining room at 9:15 a.m. where they will walk us off the ship. Takes about 10 minutes, and then we can get back right on. This is debarkation / embarkation for us. As you see, luggage everywhere. I'm still trying to figure out why they were self-assisting off the ship. Why aren't they off? It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and people just still sitting around with all their luggage. Where are we going?
We're going down to the Reflection dining room. That's where we would check off this cruise and check back into our other cruise because we're doing a back-to-back on the Vista so we could sail the ship. And I already got me a Diet Coke this morning, so we're good. Well, really, it's not Pepsi.
Man, that glare is bad.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we're going down to get checked out and then get checked in.
Get checked out and get checked in.
Yeah. Done.
Sounds good to me.
It's going to be interesting.
All right, so it's an easy process. I'll bring most of it to you.
Cheers.
See? So step one out of the process, we got our new cards.
Yeah.
And here's the funny part. My folio number was 61738 on the old card. Now it's 61839, which was one number different from her old card, because hers was 61739. She's now 38.
It switched us, but
Awesome.
we'll remember it.
And you can have it. It doesn't mean anything.
Unless you're on the ship.
Not by the time you see this.
Yeah.
All right, bye. So anyway, so as I said, step one out of the way, which they've given us our new cards, deactivated our old cards. So now we gotta wait. We have to go down to customs. Takes about 10 minutes, and we'll be back on the ship.
They'll walk us down there.
And there's actually quite a few people doing back-to-backs.
They'll walk us down there, and then they'll take our pictures. They already took our pictures.
Already took our picture up on the
So that's a step they had to do.
Yep, so the next step is going to see customs and back on the ship. All right, so finally, we're making our way off the ship because people wouldn't get off the ship. And we have to wait till everyone was off the ship before we can get off. So usually this is a bad walk. Where are we going, babe?
We're going off the ship to turn around and get back on the ship because we did back-to-backs. We just walk us off and walk us back on.
Seems like counterproductive,
Yeah,
doesn't it? Walk
yeah.
off to get back on.
Yeah.
All right,
Here we go.
we'll bring it to you.
Yeah.
You're a little late, Max. Huh? You were a little late. Alright, so again, they're doing construction in here. It's probably like an 80-mile walk. Right now.
If you know they're gonna yell.
Hush. So, it was an easy process. Take the picture, heading back to the ship. And there she goes, trying to be first. All the time. Up the stairs, up the elevator. Terry always trying to be number one. And back on. Woo, is it hot in here? on.
Thank you. What do y'all want to do?
You want to go see if our room's ready?
What they call the Family Express, and it's just a small buffet. French fries, almost like your midnight buffet. Little mini burgers, cheeseburgers. So, for doing back to back, you get a bottle of champagne, chocolate covered raisins, blueberries, and almonds. The kind of day nobody wants to board on. It was pouring. Now this is one way to dry the deck. Like a Zamboni. You can see it, it's almost dry behind me. And there's your line, the burger joint. We got us a wide open deck. This is the line to guest services on Embarkation Day. I don't get it. Hey, where are we going now?
We're going to dinner.
I feel like we were just there.
Yeah, same menu as last week almost. So I know what I'm going to get, I think. Although I'm not real starving, but it'll be nice. We'll get a new table and new waiters, so it's something new.
Supposed to have a window seat. We'll see.
It's how nice it is. Later.
The line for dinner. First night's always big. And I got me chicken and rice soup, tomato soup. Terry got a little baby burger as an appetizer, and yeah, you know, spaghetti.
Pasta.
Alright, Terry got the Cobb salad.
I want that.
I got shrimp that I'm not gonna eat because it's deep fried.
This is
And a steak. Swapperoo, I got the salmon. Max got a better steak.
well, cooked right steak. Not really better.
Max got cheesecake. Terry got nothing for dessert. I got nothing for dessert.
Watch our son run all the time.
Sure how to take this red put. He thinks this is my drink. Look what he put in there. Really? This is almost 2 hours later. They're all still in line. All right, here we are, day one of the second cruise,
Yeah, the second
which is the 7th total day.
of this
Okay.
trip.
All right, so we went to Comedy, we ate dinner. They messed up and stole some of our stuff.
Yeah, we're on a roll.
We're on a roll.
We gotta solve that caper soon.
Yeah, we are. So,
But it's been a long day. I'm so
Alright.
excited we couldn't sleep good last night. Worried about
Alright.
back to back to back to back. to
well,
back.
let me show you something.
Yeah.
We're gonna straighten it out. Standing in that line to do anything. I don't know what people do.
We were told they're in line because they're complaining
They all only got one pillow. And you know what they're doing at the end of the cruise when the line's that long.
Yeah. But anyway,
As one of the bartenders told me, being cheap.
so we had a fun day. We were busy and up very, very early. And so tonight we're going to have a chocolate martini and call it an early night after the comedy show.
We are.
I got it.
Drink it.
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh my God,
I'll spill it on you.
I can see the Dateline headlines now. Woman goes missing from cruise ship.
There's not even
Alright.
a dateline of that heading.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's not going to be me.
All right. We'll see you in the morning. Sea day. Time's another sea day. On the way to St. Thomas.
Yep.
All right. See you.
Bye.
Take it back, hey, and tip it down, bring it up.